Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm running a little late, but I think I slept well last night. And I've got some Milo, and then I'm just going to eat this with the twisted bread that I got yesterday. They're not as crispy as yesterday, but should still be quite nice. So this one is... now my hand is oily. This one is the red date one that I ate half yesterday. Supposedly today we're going to be practicing routine. So I think we're going to be going through it like many times. Trying to remember my routine. And hopefully... the routine is tiring at the same time because it requires a lot of stamina. And my stamina is terrible. So I don't know if it's going to be easier or more difficult that we're doing routine and not technical today. I'm a little worried, but we shall see. We're gonna leave in a bit. It's currently 8:14. We're supposed to meet at like 8:25, around there. So I'm just going to finish up and then go. Trying to order some lunch now, and then these two little boys. Wow. Alright, it took a while, but I got my lunch. I have some dumplings, and then I also have like tantan noodles. Apparently they are known for it. And then there's some tomato chao shou, which is another kind of dumpling, I guess. And then I got like a chocolate milkshake. No, chocolate ice blend from McDonald's. Let's eat. I'm hungry. Another 1.5 hours of training. Socks. It's pink. It's pink. Hi. How is it? Okay. Not pain?
My right leg is
So we have pizza, but like there's dragon fruit here, so I don't know what it's supposed to taste like. And then I mix the baked rice. We have some fries, the spaghetti, and how's the chicken? hotel. Look at that. We're gonna use the dustbin for an ice bath, but it's smarter today. I put plastic bag so it's cleaner. Alright, Xander, take it away. Gonna put the ice. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Ho, 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 ho.
That's terrible sound.
That's terrible. After a while, you'll feel comfortable. Okay, let me push it closer for you. You can relax your lips.